All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much one more time for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. I know you could have been somewhere else doing some things, but you chose to be here with me. Kalabijo, Kerichi Beam, Shimano Metelega Siemo, almost Soloniga Mala, but once one bargain Mr. Tanky, my baby. Tanky Msanzi. I want to play this video because of this morning. Ketlakanele Matata. Remember, Dr. Nell, continue to rest in peace. May your soul continue to rest in peace. Bojojo Manjaro, they suggested that we donate for this guy. And as we were waiting for the account to be account be gona mo molaleng mang le mang a kgone donate or a ke tsebe o diregile gore account e circulate jwaje account apparently mabarabara ke ya Mamogolo ke mamogolo e le gore o godisitše Dr. Nell ko Garadingwane ba re ke Garadingwane a ke se ka bolela maka but sa mo exciting ya bo Teflop o thomile crutch gona ko ka mokgwa ba bolelang ka gona. So let me play this and then ke tle ke bue mo lena.
So I will hand over to Osmaria le Abuti then ba le tlhalosetse.
Followers ke khopela taba ya go contribute on social media is stope because there is no money e kenang ka mo family e tlhagang from that account. That account is not a family account. Account AIS Ramohali is a fake account. So ke kopa le stop e contributor on social media, rather send the money straight ka mo gae li ketse grupu li ntshe tšhelete li fe somebody a itlise ka mo gae. Tšhelete social media, they are just hacking you guys, they are taking your money for nothing. Ka mo gae ga se fitlhe ke bolela so ke ka mo gae re busy ka di organization tsa rena tsa di funeral ka di arrangement re na le yena ba masipala shiba so ga iyo rena re thusane mo le di celebrity le ba masipala so please ba le jela di tšhelete please re kopa le stop ke ausi wa Nele ke Maria Malikani ngwana wa ka Mamulimisi please
re kgopela tswetswe whoever is sending money from S Ramohali's account, it's a fake account. Please try to stop that because you're going to lose your money. There's no other way that you can be able to retrieve your money back. Please stop that. Don't continue sending your money to S Ramohali's account. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, di jwalo ditaba ke ausi wa Nelo le rena bolela ona le monna o le re le yena wa motlalletša gore guys stop o sendang ditšhelete jwetse nna I went live and then ka rentse ke lebelela mola ka kry-a monna ba re ke Tau Sebata a ngwetse gore that account is genuine that account ke mmamogolo wa Nell o ile gore mo godišitše from ko Garadinyane. Yeah, somewhere ka mo Tef man. Why ke lebala? Re ke go commenting ke tlo botsa gore ke go kae. Ke go kae. Ke nya go bala ntwe le reng le lena live bona ke ska no bolela fela. Yeah, re ke bule. Tau Sebata are the account is not fake as Ramogale is the woman Mamogolo who raised Dr. Nell at Garamakanye. Okay, sorry next she was even interviewed live on national radio. This is just a family conflict. The account is genuine. So, Tau Sebata, ke motho le reng o ile ko mmamogolo o just to confirm. Tau Sebata ko mongwe le reng ke se opedi le yena from Barakelam. Yeah, what's working? I'm not good with those names, but yeah, I will get to use. I will get like trial. So, barake mmamogolo wa Nell. Account e romelang go yona ke mmamogolo wa Nell o ile reng o dula ko Teflop side ya Teflop ga Makanye and le hule ko ba ne ba video ne ke dlala ausi wa Nele ba ko le Phalala. So now the question is that Richie B, you guys are leading us wrong because of you posted that we must donate to that account. Some family now ere the account aba itsebe. So ke pusha hore family ausi wa Nele ha re ha tsebe that account is fake. Ora ring that account does not exist or mamogolo owe aba mo tsebe or joang because of guys now we are clueless. Remember we are here to give you information by loring alohono grade information. Una mtu loring maybe utsibile the information about this podcast. So now what is happening? I have asked Tau Sivata hore, can I talk to Mamogolo now? Because of now we are busy. People are busy donating the money. Jojo Manjaro also gave me power. Or guys, Lin Nagidi relay a research before I can post the account, which means for a few couples of people, Mamojor ke Mamogolo wanel, Wailor Gudis Chenel. But now, ke Mamogolo wanele, Oko kai, Lihuliko kai. Mamogolo, are you in a good terms? Lebako rai. And if you're not in a good terms, how are you going to help with regard to the donation? This is my question, fella, just to check what is happening. What is happening? Because I received a call from a gentleman, and I forgot to take his name. I'm connected le Maratu. Le ngwana we loring nanya ko confirm Rich B. Dilo cheo. Remember guys, these things diatla nna ke rata ditaba mara diatla onna. Ditaba tše diatla. But Rich B e re ko botše nnete, family knows hore account eo ke ya mang. Re ka ba re shaeditše fela ka initial ra re M instead of S or S instead of M. But ba tseba hore e Ramogale ke mang and o ko kae. So nna tšeo ba di bolelang a ke di tsebe Rich B. And I asked that lady with the gentleman really on the call, on the conference call, I said, how about, because of now such a postile a Nela are account is fake. How about you and Mamogolo leader a video so that but guys can na Mamogolo one nail. This is not a scam. Let's try carry a child or but we carry a child Nela for funeral. Because of now, Stawusi bata ubelela taba or such ba demand a child or child guy. Chelete kai ba go Mamogolo or donate Chelete kai. And it's Wednesday today. And early Wednesday so today, tomorrow it's Thursday. Kitty 6, ne? There is a memorial service. Let me just check. Dr. Mibingan or Dr. Nell, I'll be able to find or what is happening. Let me just update you. On the 6th, it's a memorial service. Where is it? I need to find it out for you. Dr. Nell Memorial Service, ikadi 6 November 2025. Otomaka 12 o'clock ko bo Botabelo Village ga Selega le Palale stand number 10-10-9. Mo iloreng hona le batho ba iloreng Sabato o unchije statements or anyone, any artist who want to pay tribute to Dr. Nell, please inbox me. Anyone. And here's a lineup so far. Iloring batho ba di voluntary lego ya mo. Erna le Snowflakes, Nale Boy, Sogo Drum, Mexican Boy, Maruma the vocalist, Tiny Ribi and Slay Mama. Ke ba bantši mo ile reng le Kwenisto Magaga and Relo ke di MC ja for that memorial service. So guys, I don't know what is happening. Yeah, the donation I'll say let's continue. As long as ba confirmile hore motho ke Mamogolo, unlike Nesonje Ready Police Station ronyagana le bona because of we've donated. I've donated after Kibona Jojo Manjaro posted that and donated as well. I was like, let me just give my last money because of ke auti arena. He was supposed to come here. It's not like Kimotolorong agemtsebe. Kimotolorong ngebulela lena ka WhatsApp Dr. Nell. We were so close or atlemo the podcast. What is happening ka kwashe ya tshwara fase and o berekebile jwang o godile jwang ke lo jelo mo podcast and ra di bolela la tseba. So a ke shala mrago because of because of I knew him and I was supposed to meet with him. It's unfortunately it's a God plan, so we cannot do anything. Let's continue. I'll say let's continue. Let's continue actually sending the money to that account, your Capitec, and let's see gore Mamogolo, because of I've talked to people ba reng ke a ba tshepa bo Jojo Manjaro le bo Tau Sebata ke batho ba le goreng I talk to them. Should risk me or as a Mamogolo difference? I don't know or what's going to happen. I'm not saying anything now, but yeah, I don't know what is going to happen. Thank you so much, ladies and gents, for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. I know you could have been somewhere else doing some things, but you chose to be here with me. Kalbicho, Kerechi Beam, Shimana Mutella Siemo, almost Rwaniga Mala, Pawan Mr. Tanky, my baby. Tanky, Mzanzi.